has our full forecast, and as we've been saying, the good thing is not big wind gusts in the forecast as crews continue to clean up from the weekend.
And the fact that we had some more sunshine today, temperatures were a little bit higher, it kind of gives us some time to be able to clean up everything. And we don't have a ton of big weather to talk about this week. It's just going to be pretty dreary.
Okay.
At least we're focusing on rain as opposed to snow and ice, because we definitely don't need any more of that. So the clouds that we saw today are pretty high in the atmosphere and kind of made for that hazy sunshine late in the day. And that's actually from a coastal low pressure system that's off the coast of Virginia. So it's very far away from us. And that's why at this point we're only seeing a little bit of cloud cover closer to coastal Maine. And what's essentially going to be the setup for this week is that we're going to have an area of low pressure that comes in about Wednesday. It's going to park itself right all along the coastline, and that basically is going to feed moisture into our state for really most of the week. We aren't going to get some real sunshine basically until we get into the weekend. So these areas of low pressure are going to stay very close by in Maine, so it's kind of a wet and unsettled week that we have coming up, but we don't have a lot of big storms to talk about. And we'll kind of see that here in the hour-by-hour forecast. So we're going to build in some more cloud cover overnight tonight. It's going to start to get thicker, especially along the coastline. And then we start to see some of these showers from that coastal low. And basically we're going to see the very top of this system, the most northern edge, and that's just going to kind of creep some showers in throughout the day on Tuesday. So this area of low pressure is pretty far away from us, so these showers are going to be relatively light and scattered throughout the afternoon. However, it is going to be a little bit chillier tomorrow, so if you see those pink dots there, that's some areas of freezing drizzle that are possible throughout the afternoon. Now, we're not expecting any more ice like what we saw over the weekend, but it could make roads a little bit slippery, and any kind of water left over from cleanup could freeze overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. So 8 p.m., that's where we see some of the heavier showers move into down East Maine, right along coastal Washington and Hancock counties. And then towards the mountains is where we see the best chance of a couple freezing drizzle showers and just a little bit of ice there, but really not as much, obviously, as that we were expecting from over the weekend. Just something to keep in mind there. And then Wednesday, once again, we're just going to kind of have scattered showers throughout the day, and you're going to hear me say that phrase a lot because that's a lot of what we're going to be seeing throughout the week. And then we get some more heavy rain that builds in Wednesday night, especially up in northern Maine, a couple of heavier showers there. Then that next area of low pressure starts to move in early Thursday morning. So really just kind of scattered showers, on and off rain throughout most days this week, and we don't really clear out until we get into the weekend here. Now, once we get into Thursday, that's where we transition from showers to heavier rain. And the only question mark in this forecast is how Friday sets up. So the European model here has the rain kind of continually move throughout the state, so we get a little bit of a nicer Friday and a better looking Saturday. However, the GFS model here kind of reforms this low, so we end up getting more rain throughout the day Friday and a little bit of snow on the back end of this system in the mountains there. So marine forecast, we've got that small craft advisory in effect until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So like I said, the name of the game this week is kind of just dreary weather. We have those scattered showers really every day this week, and then on Thursday those showers transition to some heavier and more consistent rain in the afternoon. Brian and Amanda will keep an eye on Friday to see if we can kind of get that more progressive, be able to move that rain through, or else really every day this week is going to have a rainfall icon on it.
Yeah, what a week.
Yeah, Dana, thank you.